Today we are getting to know our calf American Type hinges. Ordinary it is face-framed, and this is the 1/2 overlay. We have two different type of the adjustable screws, with same function. PLS check here. And for this one, it is 3D adjustable American Type hinges, can reach the adjustable up-down, front back, left and right. As to the size, we can see from the surface, 1/2 and 1-1/4, they are the ordinary size. And we can make it January 3rd 16 and 1-3/8 and 1-1/2 at the same time. We have normal and soft close avaliable. This is our two-way normal Amercian Type hinges. And this is the one with soft close function. The latter one is more popular in the market. The damper is inside the cup. Makes your furniture looks more luxury, and close softly when they closed. Here we go to take a look at the Amercian Type fumiture. The typical American fascia-framed furniture, different from Europe furniture, has the door panel which is 18 millimeters. If we use our standard hinges, the arm would be too long to install. That's why we need to install with Amercian short arm hinges to fit with it. We can put them in a certain position, closed softly. Here we installed now is our two-way normal American Type hinges. When we close the door, you can hear the loud noise. What 1/2 overlay mean? You can see the door panel was covered around 12 millimeters, see from the inside. If we installed 1-1/4 overlay, we can make it covered 32 millimeters. That's all for today, about Amercian Type furniture and hinges.